This is my junk journal, and I'm calling it the No Stress Junk Journal. I got this from the dollar store, put some of my favorite paper on the cover, and I've been creating very simple layouts and fun things ever since. Some of them I'll film for you guys, and some of them I'll just do on my own. It is definitely a hobby journal and a great way to use up your extra kits, stickers, stamps, everything like that. So I'll show you what I've done so far. This is part 2. We have a part 1, and we're going to keep doing it until our journal is completely full, and it's going to be great. I'm calling it the No Stress Junk Journal because oftentimes we have these really complicated projects and layouts when what we really need and what's good for our creative souls is to just calm down and kind of freestyle some fun pages. So the inside of this is incredibly simple, but it incorporates what I love, which I love art, I love stickers, I love vintage elements, so incorporate what you love into it. It doesn't have to look like mine, but I am going to be doing some freebie kits and things like that throughout the series. This one was our most recent one we did a video on. It was super chill, and it comes as a freebie kit, so for the rest of August, I should say. And then it will be available on Etsy. So we are going to make another one because I have some leftover supplies from that freebie kit, and I wanted to really get the word out that there is a kit. So if you guys appreciate the freebies, when you like and comment and share a video, it helps spread that to other people, which we love. And if you want to subscribe to this series, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll talk a little bit about this one for a second. I just did some fun layering elements in the background. I added this, which was my favorite piece of the collection, and this was my other favorite piece of the collection, just with a little eyelet. I added some stickers. This little frame and this little butterfly are stickers from our company, Dilly Dally Stickers. Here she is, Dilly Dally Stickers. So you can check that out. I'll have everything linked in the description of this video, the freebie, the stickers, and our Etsy shop and things like that. I want to say that if you guys enjoy the freebies, we give a lot to our monthly Kit Club subscribers. So if you are a monthly Kit Club subscriber, that means you get the 50-page kit every month that we release. We also do a ton of freebies there. So if you're into just having a lot of available kits and supplies for a really good deal, then that's what I recommend. And you can subscribe at www.pinkmonarchprints.com. So without further ado, we're going to make another really simple little page in our No Stress Junk Journal series. So I'm flipping to a new page here, which is exciting. We're going to work on this side today, and it's going to be good. Here are some of the leftover pieces I have from that kit. Some of them are just really cool. Like I said, I love the restored vintage images, and I get a real big kick out of finding them for you guys. I'm putting together just collections that are cute. I want to make it different than my last layout, so I'm not really even sure where I'm going with it yet. We're going to use some of the larger pieces. I know I want to use this because this is beautiful. And I have some tear pages as well. That'd be fun. I have a page in the freebie kit. It comes with 2 pages. And I also have these leftover scrapbook pages from one of my books, and I thought this pattern looked really good with the color scheme. So these are some of the things I think we'll be working with today. My main idea, I don't know if I'll use these tear pages as much because I used them on the last layout, and again, I want to make it different. So one of my ideas is we're gonna try it out. I'm just gonna move this to the side for a second, and I gotta trim down this paper. I've been over this, but this is my new favorite method to quickly change the size of your paper. I will say it gives you that kind of torn edge look. So if you don't want that, you gotta use scissors or something like that. But I like the torn edge look. It's right up my alley. And normally this works better with thinner paper. This is cardstock. But with cardstock, it really gives you that torn edge effect. So I'm going to go ahead and just glue that one there. We're going to just go for it, you guys. Like, I really, truly do not have a plan. I'm just having fun. And I feel like I've lost that part of junk journaling because I made it my job. I made it my career. So sometimes I lose that kind of whimsical feeling. Okay, and then the other part, I wanted to kind of try something. Something like this. Then I have to tear this corner too. It's a controlled tear, kind of. We're going to round out the corners because my journal corners are round. No inking, just fun. I don't love how much white is showing there, so we're going to just do that. Okay, more glue. This journal will be very, very thick by the time I am done. And I'm just embracing that. I've been kind of liking to leave a white border lately. I think that's been fun. And we might do something like that. Do we want to round those edges? I think we will. This might be a good time for stamps, but I stamped a lot on the last one, so maybe we'll skip that. Not super concerned about glue. This glue is fantabulous. It just stays forever. So kind of here's what we have so far. Just some fun, a good base, for sure. Oh, I'm really tempted to add this because I love it. I did add it on my last page. We added the cream colored ruler, but I think it's different enough that we can add it on this one. So we're gonna do that. Just see where we wanna tear it. Do some squiggles. Just having fun. Pretty. I have this, which is perfect because butterflies, there's usually like a specimen kind of a thing with it. So this will be perfect for this specific page that we're doing. Kind of bounce between glue stick and my art glitter glue very randomly. There's no rhyme or reason to why I do what I do sometimes, so I'm thankful that you guys stick with me. It's a lot of fun. No. I think it's time to add either some stickers or some stamps. We're gonna start with stamps. But don't want to do anything too crazy. I want to keep it pretty chill. I have lots of fun things though. Lots of fun things I could do. Here's the one I'll use. For now, it's like a little postal circle stamp. I'm gonna move this for a second. Did I get it? Okay, perfect. Clean up my stamp. Oh, and I think I know something that would be cute for the next one. we have this stamp here. Okay guys, my camera died. I apologize. I don't think I got very far before noticing. All I've done is just added some stamping on the side, and we're actually almost done anyway. So I was really close to finishing the video, but it died, and I had to hurry and go charge it for a second. The battery is still low, but that's okay. We're making it work. The last thing I want to add is just a sticker from my favorite sticker sheet I think I've ever owned, which is this polka dot tape. I think I've already gone through so many of these, and I've used a bunch in this journal already, so I was a little hesitant to use it. But then I decided if it makes me happy, I'm just going to do it anyway. I like to add that little, tape look to these projects because it kind of looks like you've just taped in a piece of ephemera, and it just makes it look kind of vintagey and old, which I love. I will show you. I've added a piece here, and that's actually it. And a piece here. So I've already done 3. Half of my journal has those little tape pieces. But I love it. I love how this one turned out. How fun is that, you guys? Anyways, I'm going to do something fun with this side too, probably just on my own because, again, this journal is kind of just for me, but I do want to kind of share and take you guys along with me while I do some of it. So, grab this freebie. For the rest of August, it is available on www.pinkmonarchprints.com. On the main menu bar, there is a little tab and it says freebies. And if there's an available freebie, it will be there. And our monthly kit club subscribers get extra freebies as well. So if you're all about that, make sure to subscribe and check out these stickers if you're a sticker girl like me. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we will see you in our next video. Goodbye.